Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Ask Automotive Limited. Incorporated in 1988, Ask Automotive Limited is a manufacturer of advanced braking systems for two-wheelers in India. The product range of the company includes AB systems, aluminium lightweight precision wheel assembly to OEMs, and safety control cables. The company operates in India as well as overseas. IPO opens for subscription on the 7th of November, offer will close on the 9th of November. Allotment will be on the 15th of November, listing will be on the 20th of November, minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 14,946 rupees. Price band is 268 rupees to 282 rupees per share, lot size is of 53 shares, total issue size is 834 crore rupees. Offer for sale is 834 crore rupees. Listing will be at BSE, NSE platform. Key performance indicator are: price to earning ratio is 45.63, debt to equity ratio is 0.49, earning per share is 6 rupees and 18 paise. Return on net worth is 19.10%. Object of the issue: the company will not receive any proceeds from the offer and all the offer proceeds will be received by the selling shareholders, in proportion to the offered shares sold by the respective selling shareholders as part of the offer. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 40 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.